guys, welcome back to Horilla. Today in this video, let me show you how to set up a mail automation. So we have right now inside the automations where I've gone to the configuration, and as a sub-menu of configurations, you can see this mail automation. And if you click on that, you will see the automations which are pre-created. If there are none, you can simply create one. So to create one, you have to click on this create here and specify all the details. So first of all, I'm choosing a title. Okay. So the activation and the title comes first. Okay. So I've chosen the title here. And here you have to select a model. So I'm selecting the model as candidate. Okay. And here you can see mail to has automatically come there. If you want to add any other person, you can add them as well. And comes the mail detail. So if you want to customize the email template with specific details from the selected HR entity, what you have to do is you have to change it from here. So the entity means it can be a candidate or an employee or anything. Okay, such data, that is whatever you choose there in the model, that thing can be, selected here. Okay, based on the details which we give there, that can be selected here. Next, you have the trigger. Okay, so here in the trigger, you can choose when it should be triggered, on create, on update, or on delete. So I'm choosing on update. And here comes the mail template, which is basically the offer letter, which I've chosen. If you can add other templates as well. Okay. And then comes the template attachment. Okay. So you can add any essential attachments such as onboarding documents, company policies, or other relevant files to the email. And finally comes the conditions. So you have to specify the conditions or the requirements that need to be met for automation to be triggered. Okay. Conditions can be defined based on various fields and their corresponding values. Okay. Providing granular control over the automation. So here you can choose the field. So I'm just choosing it as stage. Okay. So stage type. And here the value, let it be hired. So once the stage type changes to hired, what happens? This mail should be triggered. So you have this model here, right? This model selection. Here you can see the model selection. So this is to select the HR entity that will trigger the automation. That's what I was talking about before. So that can be either a candidate or an employee, whatever it is. Different models are there, right? From there you can choose, and based on the model you choose, the mail too will automatically be occupied. But if you want to remove that and add a new one, that too is possible here in Horilla. Okay, and comes the mail details where you can customize the email template with specific details from the selected HR entity. Okay, so here the HR entity is candidate. So you can customize the email template with the details from the candidate. Okay, so this mail details can also be, changed. Okay, so this is basically how you set one. And after setting one, what you have to do, you have to make sure you save it. Okay, and once you save it, your automation is here. And what happens is that whenever such condition, whenever the condition which you have given is met, a mail will be generated automatically. Okay, so this is how a mail automation is created. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see y'all in the next video.